Good evening, classmates. Good evening, Sir Orlando Payoyo. I'm Emilita Layo Grapira. In this video, I will discuss about the religion during Spanish colonization. In pre-colonial period, our religion is animism, or the belief that all objects, places, creatures are possessed by spiritual essence. In 1521, Spanish colonizer Ferdinand Magellan introduced Catholicism in the Philippines. Franciscans were the first religious order arrived in the Philippines, followed by Augustinians, Jesuits, and Franciscans. Since the colonial period, Catholicism has been the cornerstone of Filipino for millions in the Philippines. Catholicism rapidly spread during the early years of Spanish colonialism, in part due to lack of centralized religious institutions. Other than Islam, in the South, Catholicism and Spanish states were inseparable, and religious played a predominant role in the administration of the Philippines. As a result, they were deeply implicated in the exploitation of the Filipinos. Religious orders, including the Augustinians, Dominicans, and the Recollects, held the tracts of the land, haciendas and encomiendas also granted by the Spanish government. They were also responsible for the religious education and spiritual well-being of their tenants and some friars. Those missionaries introduced Catholic rituals and festivals and practices. The imposition of Catholicism create a unique blend of beliefs and practices. Kasama na rito yung Santo Niño de Cebu, which is held annually sa Cebu, or the Sinulog Festival, and Holy Week tradition, including the penitensya, pabasa, yung visita iglesia, or yung mga karidad or yung mga pakain sa afternoon. The Spanish colonization of the Philippines brought a profound transformation of religious landscape, introducing Catholicism and shaping the religious beliefs and practices of the indigenous populations. During Spanish period, the Spanish built the first church in the Philippines. Yun yung San Agustin Church located sa Santa Cruz, Manila. Thank you.